What a mess. House is there. Big open spot right there. You could see it. I'm trying to get to that. That's where the stream is. That comes down from the house. Big open spot there. Giant tree. One of my favorite tools, El Destructor tractor. It's its new name. And this is what I've been working on. I was like, oh yeah, maybe I should take a video to show what this is about. Every stump you see is by me. I just keep the stumps for some strange reason. There's my giant pile that I now know not to do with. It's coming together. And that's where the paths start. Right there, there's the rocks. I finally made it. Gone, 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 gone. All gone. Big, huge pile. I have no idea how I'm going to get rid of this. I'm thinking about digging a giant hole in there. Maybe I'll start a fire there. And then I'll just, pull it from there. That's on the hill. I start burning in the wintertime because I have no idea how I'm going to take care of all this. And I just keep going crazy. Yeah. All right. What time is it? Like 16:30, 16:45. You can see the path right there with the rocks. That was my goal. Now I got to build a bridge there to get there. Yeah, like I don't have enough to do. I gotta build a bridge. I've never built a bridge. Who the hell knows how to build a bridge?